Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about partial molar properties and variation of chemical potential with temperature and pressure. First we will discuss about partial molar properties. Lewis introduced new thermodynamics state function is known as partial molar properties. It is applicable in open system. X is a function of temperature, pressure, N1, N2, etc. Nj. X is a extensive property. N1, N2, N3 is the number of moles of various constituent. If there is a small change in temperature and pressure of the system as well as the amount of constituent, the change in properties of X is dx equal to dou x by dou t into dt at constant pressure N1, N2, etc. Nj plus dou x by dou p into dp temperature N1, N2, etc. Nj plus dou x by dou N1 into dN1 temperature pressure N2, N3, etc. Nj plus dou x by dou N2 into dN2 at constant pressure temperature N1, N3, N2, etc. Nj. The quantity, that is dou x by dou N1 dN1 temperature pressure N2, N3, etc. Nj is called partial molar quantity. X bar equal to dou x by dou N1 temperature pressure N2, etc. Nj is a partial molar property. When temperature and pressure is constant, that is dt and dp equal to 0, means dx equal to x1 bar dN1 plus x2 bar dN2, etc. xj bar dnj. Here xi bar equal to dou x by dou ni at constant temperature pressure Nj is a partial molar property of ith component. Ui bar equal to dou u by dou ni at constant temperature pressure N1, N2, etc. is partial molar internal energy. Hi bar equal to dou h by dou ni at constant temperature pressure N1, N2, etc. is partial molar enthalpy. Similarly, Gi bar equal to dou g by dou ni at constant temperature pressure N1, N2, etc. is the partial molar Gibbs free energy. It is equal to mu I, that is a chemical potential. Here Gi bar is the extensive property. Si bar equal to dou s by dou ni at constant temperature pressure N1, N2 is the partial molar entropy. Next topic, chemical potential. We know dou g by dou ni at constant temperature pressure N1, N2, etc. must be equal to Gi bar or mu I. This is called chemical potential. That is, the chemical potential of a given substance is the change in free energy of the system, that is dou g, produced on addition of 1 mole of substance at a constant temperature and pressure to the large bulk of the mixture so that its composition does not undergo any change. That is Gi bar equal to 0. Next topic is Gibbs-Duhem equation. dg equal to mu1 dN1 plus N1 d mu1 plus mu2 dN2 plus N2 d mu2 plus etc. at constant temperature pressure. N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2 plus etc. Nj d mu j equal to 0 or summation of Ni d mu I equal to 0 is called Gibbs-Duhem equation. If d mu1 is positive, m1, that is a mu1, increases. If d mu2 is negative, means mu2 is decreases. Gibbs-Duhem equation is used for irreversible and reversible reactions. Variation of chemical potential with temperature. We know dou G by dou Ni equal to mu I is a chemical potential. This equation differentiate with temperature, we get dou square G by dou Ni dou T equal to dou mu I by dou T at constant pressure and number of moles, that is N. Since dG equal to VdP minus SdT at constant pressure, that is dP equal to 0 நம்ம assume பண்ணிட்டா dG equal to minus SdT. So dG by dt equal to minus S. This equation differentiate with dou Ni, we get dou square G by dou Ni dou T equal to minus dou S by dou Ni at constant temperature and pressure must be equal to minus Si bar. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, that is compare equation 1 and 2, we get dou mu I by dou T at constant pressure, number of moles, that is N1 N2, must be equal to minus dou S by dou Ni at constant temperature pressure equal to minus Si bar. This is called variation of chemical potential with temperature, where Si bar is a partial molar entropy of the ith component. The entropy of a substance is always positive. According to equation number 2, chemical potential decrease with increase in temperature. Next one is variation of chemical potential with pressure. So consider dou G by dou Ni equal to mu I. This equation differentiate with pressure, we get dou square G by dou Ni dou P equal to dou mu I by dou P at constant temperature N1 N2 Nj. We take equation 1. If dG equal to VdP, therefore dou G by dou P must be equal to volume. This equation further differentiate with dou Ni, therefore we get dou square G by dou P dou Ni equal to dou V by dou Ni at constant temperature pressure N1 N2 etc. Nj must be equal to Vi bar. So compare equation 1 and 2. So left side நமக்கு சேமாக இருக்குது, dou square G by dou P dou Ni இருக்குது. அப்போ ரைட் சைடில் நம்ம ஈக்குவல் பண்ணிட்டா we get dou mu I by dou P at constant temperature N1 N2 etc. Nj must be equal to Vi bar. This is a variation of chemical potential with pressure. So Vi bar is the partial molar volume. Thank you friends.